What a day it's been here at ICRA 2026. I've just wrapped up a pretty packed schedule and the energy here has been absolutely wonderful. I kicked off at the Dobot stand where Michael walked me through their latest robotic arms. We had a great chat about how those exact setups are already shaping various industries like the future of factories and research labs and even classrooms, the whole educational space. Next, I caught up with an old friend, Rock Nakajima, over at Noitom Robotics. Now he gave me a brilliant look at how Noitom are bringing intelligence to robots. Basically, they capture real-world spatial data from humans and use it to train the robots, like the Unitree G1 humanoid robot they had at their stand. What's more, they tie it all together into a platform. And after that, I met Nick Thompson, the CEO and co-founder of Olo. Now they do something really smart, building this universal cloud platform for the entire robotics community. It works with any hardware, and developers basically design and test their robots in a virtual simulation first before deploying them into the real physical world. It was a really exciting demo. And this sort of entirely web-based platform lets you work directly in Python or JavaScript, or even vibe code with natural language. Finally, I ended the day getting a personalized look at Unitree's incredible lineup of humanoid and four-legged robots, many of which scan stocks and cells. And Henry even talked me through the rather challenging obstacle course built for one of this year's competitions. Frankly, I can't wait to see it all in action tomorrow at the finals. And for everything else from ICRA, stay tuned to Scan because we'll be bringing you lots more content.